For a lot of Filipinos, birthday is one of the most important occasions in their life. In fact, celebrating birthday every year is common and shared not only within the family members, but also with friends and colleagues. In this topic, you will learn how birthdays are celebrated in other countries. You will also find out the significance of celebrating special years in Japan. You will also learn how to use birthday-related Japanese expressions such as greetings and expressions in receiving and giving gifts. Birthdays always reflect the added number in our age, so how to say age in Japanese will also be discussed. We will also gain some culture input in being sensitive and asking personal information from people we do not know personally. Our session for today has 3 objectives. First, to be able to read the word Tanzobi in hiragana. Second, to be able to say one's birthday and ask for other people's birthday. And third, to let the students realize the need to confirm the information from the internet as well as from other sources. Jugyo hajimemasu. Minasan, yonde kudasai.
To read the hiragana characters, we have to take note that, first, there are 2 lines on the upper portion after the characters for she and he. 2. Yo is smaller than the other characters. 3. She with 2 lines in the small yo makes one sound, jo. 4. The last set of characters is a prolonged sound, jo. Therefore, we read the characters as Tanzobi. Say it again, Tanzobi.
Looking at the pictures here, can you guess the meaning of the word Tanzobi? Minasan, mite kudasai, kite kudasai. Ichigatsu, Nigatsu, Sangatsu, Shigatsu, Gogatsu, Rokugatsu, Shichigatsu, Hachigatsu, Kugatsu, Jugatsu, Juichigatsu, Junigatsu. Yes, what we have a while ago are months of the year. Is there any expression familiar to you? Okay, I heard it. You have numbers. So this time, can you guess the pattern for the months of the year?
Ine. The pattern that we have is number plus gatsu. Ichi plus gatsu is equal to ni plus gatsu, san plus gatsu, shi plus gatsu, go plus gatsu, roku plus gatsu, shichi plus gatsu, hachi plus gatsu, ku plus gatsu, ju plus gatsu, juichi plus gatsu, juni plus gatsu. Very good! You already know the patterns for months. We have to watch out for words such as shichigatsu, shigatsu, and kugatsu, which use different readings from yon, nana, and kyu.
This time, I want you to repeat after me. Ichigatsu, Nigatsu, Sangatsu, Shigatsu, Gogatsu, Rokugatsu, Shichigatsu, Hachigatsu, Kugatsu, Zugatsu, Zuichigatsu, Zunigatsu. Okay, very good. So please take note that Shichi, Shi, and Ku are different from the counting numbers. This time, I'll be flashing months of the year and you have to say it in Japanese in your own seats. Are you ready?
I'll be showing you pictures of famous people, and you have to tell me who they are. After telling their names, I'll be reading the question and you have to read the answer. Number 1 is... Very good. It's Andres Bonifacio. Tanjobi wa itsu? Then we have the second picture. Who is he? Very good. It's Jesus Christ. Tanjobi wa itsu? Our next picture is no other than... Very good. Our national hero, Jose Rizal. Tanjobi wa itsu? Our last picture is... Very good. The first woman president, Corazon Aquino. Tanjobi wa itsu? Do you notice anything new from the dialogue? Okay, the new expression that we have is Tanjobi wa itsu. Can you guess the meaning of this expression? Very good. Tanjobi wa itsu is used to ask someone's birth month. Do you know that there are other cultures who believes that birth month influences one's personality? We are going to conduct an experiment to check if this is true. I'll be flashing the list of characteristics for your birth month. Later on, you have to talk about whether you agree or disagree with what the chart says. Minasan, yonde kudasai.
should not judge people or make any judgment based only on his birth month. Minasan, reflection time! What did you learn today? Tanzobi wa itsu? How did you react on the description of your birth month? Write it down in your Nihongo notes. Jugyo warimasu!